In this video, we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. Method 1. Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. Here, you have to search for Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, Bluetooth Support Service, Bluetooth User Support Service. Right-click, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Start. If it's not running, then click on Apply and OK. Afterwards, right-click and select Restart. Follow the same for other two services. Method 2. Troubleshoot. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll down. Click on Troubleshoot. Then, Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down. In Bluetooth, select Run. Click on Yes. Windows will automatically try to fix the issue. Method 3. Reinstall Bluetooth driver. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth. Right-click on Bluetooth device. Click on Uninstall device and click on Uninstall. Then restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Method 4. Bluetooth adapter. If nothing works, you can simply get a TP-Link USB Bluetooth adapter, plug it in, and your Bluetooth is enabled. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.